right, boys. Big day today. We are going to be unboxing over $800 worth of crap that you guys bought on Amazon. And there may or may not be a next gen console somewhere in this ginormous pile of the stuff that you guys bought on Amazon. But I do have one thing to say. Truly hope you can forgive me, but I accidentally yesterday opened up the IP in Pools hat. Very cool. I'm gonna try to open the non-costume stuff first, but if we open a costume, we will put it in a pile and wait for later. Should we just start with the big box, chat? Should we start with the big one? The chonker? I don't know which is which. This is not child-friendly packaging. Oh, there we go! Very cool. Transforming diamond sword / pickaxe. Sorry, we didn't have enough Twitch Primes this month to afford a netherite. Try me. Oh! That's kind of funky. I wanna play with it. Let me play with it. I think I broke it. Next item. It's a holographic Shrek lamp. He's very cool. Very Shrek. It looks like it. Oh, there's a little mini USB Shrek. Oh, it's baby Shrek and Poppy Shrek. Oh, he's alive. Very cool. Oh, there was something else in the box too. It's our Pepe eye mask. Funny. Very cool. You know how I like toys. Oh boy. Oh, is that a costume? I think that's a costume. Oh yeah, that's a costume. Oh, we gotta save that one. That comes later. That comes later. You're gonna have to wait for that one. Some toys. Maybe? I'm gonna go test it real quick. No more taser. We're done. But no, don't ask about the big package. It's not important, chat. Boys, do you know what time it is? Because if you don't, you're gonna know pretty soon. We still have several things we've opened that we haven't shown yet. And those would be the costumes and clothing items. And we got the green screen. It's back. More monkey than ever before. Monkey poggers! Always be yourself. Unless you can be a monkey. Monkey! Then always be a monkey. Now finally, I can look and play like the real Tyler Ninja Blevins. The perfect item to complete my exclusive limited edition Ninja Red Bull. Your chance to play with Ninja. I'm still waiting on that chance. Call me. Very cool. What was I saying? Anyways. Next item. Oh, I'm green. Oh, this is awkward. This is awkward. Yeah! New favorite streamer leaping onto the scene. We got one more thing. One more thing. One more costume. We have one more item today, boys. But you voted for it, you submitted it, and I bought it, and now we have it, and we're gonna wear it live on stream. Please, nobody show my mom this. Please. All right. You submitted it. You voted for it. I bought it. May God forgive me. But it does look kind of nice. We have one more thing. And it's in the closet. We have one more item to unbox, chat. One more thing. It's kind of a big thing. It's got a big box. But first, I think I should change. Anyway, we do have one more item. Oh, yeah, baby. The final box. Final item. We got it, boys! That's cute. Oh, that's cute. station. But what I am going to do is put it in my fridge. This KW.
Gone public with this right now.